beautiful Las Vegas, where the smell of substance abuse and disappointment reigns supreme. I'm gonna go try out the new Ray-Ban Meta Display glasses. I'm really excited because it's my first time with any wearable technology. I'm excited. Let's go to the win. To win. Even Poseidon himself is quivering at the thought of this. I think that's Poseidon.
You know, we'll call it that.
Might be Zeus. Why must you scorn us with this weather? Outside, but they're at capacity, so waiting like 10 minutes till they actually get it up and going, but I'm pretty excited.
And should match 32 gigabytes of internal storage on what that means is if you forget your phone, you can take about 1,000 videos, and around 100 videos. I don't want a whole box. I want a box. Not a box of boxes.
You did it.
Currently on the planet of Camino on the clone factory. It's quite rainy and bad. No, actually, we're trying to find our way back to our hotel. I got the glasses. They're not dry, but they're not wet. But there's a raceway going, and we have trekked. Our shoes are soaked, and my battery's almost dead. So we're trying to find our way back. But guess what? I got it, so it's all worth it. Let's go. So after a night of using the Meta Display glasses, I can say it's hard to imagine life without them. I gotta say, it's been really, really cool. I love them. Frankly, I'm gonna wear them every single day, so take that as you will.